I just wanted to let everybody know that the Bodega and Small Business Association is the nonprofit trade association that is working to represent bodegas, especially in the South Bronx. We've been working with Bronx Health Reach for a long time, very successfully, to try to introduce healthier and more affordable foods in bodegas in a way that's commercially successful for the stores and that focuses on community needs. One of the things that's unique about Bodega and Small Business Association is that as a nonprofit, we're focused on public health and public safety, regulatory, educational, and community initiatives that benefit the stores and the communities in the Bronx. We're not purely a commercial organization, so we're very proud to have been working at this for a long time. It's a challenge, as you all know, but also very proud to have partnered with Bronx Health Reach and with the initially Stern School of Business and with Chet Wert, who is our business executive, our business advisor, and with Collective Fare to produce more commercially appealing products, we believe, things that will catch people's eye and hopefully be successful in the South Bronx. It's a whole new iteration, I think, of what we're all doing that combines both business and nutrition and health and wellness. And having said that, I'll let Chet take over the presentation.
Thanks, Julia. So the three main partners here in this project are Bronx Health Reach, Bodega and Small Business Group, as you know, and Collective Fare, which is a Brooklyn-based catering organization that does tons and tons of good work in the community and is really creative and innovative. You know, the goal here, I don't need to tell you all that the availability of fresh and healthy food in a neighborhood is totally correlated with the incidence of health diet-related diseases, diabetes and hypertension and so on. And one of the solutions, as you look around, and is the availability of bodegas as a potential source for that healthy food. They sell food now. Some of it is healthy, not a lot of it. You may know there are more than 10,000 bodegas in New York City. You can go to a neighborhood like Hunts Point where we see only one regular supermarket, and there are about 30 bodegas. So the question is, how do we get healthy food into bodegas, and how do we do it in a way that's sort of going to spark that entrepreneurial instinct that the best or a lot of bodegueros have? You know, these are super entrepreneurial, ambitious, hardworking folks. And if we can show them that delivering healthy food to bodegas is a commercial opportunity, it's a profit-making opportunity, it will spread, and it'll be a thing that is not dependent on grants, on government subsidies, or anything like that. Obviously, to do this, we're part of the goal is to change the perception of bodegas. So let me go back. We know that consumers want to buy healthy food in bodegas. There have been many, many, many projects that have been done over the past 10, 15 years that show that people want healthy food. People will buy healthy food. Store owners want it, and then the grants run their course, and healthy food disappears from bodegas. And why is that? It's a supply problem. The problem is what you need to do is with fresh, perishable food, you need to make multiple deliveries a week. And when you're delivering to a small store, you're making small deliveries a week, and that makes the cost of the delivery a real problem. And it's the key economic problem that we need to overcome in this. But we've seen it work in other places, mostly in the Midwest. We've seen some solutions, and we believe we can show that this can be done profitably, entrepreneurially, and really critically with affordable prices for the consumer. Um, so we've done some work so far in terms of um, informally developing a menu, which I want to show you. We are on tap or on track now to do some research among our three key stakeholders, which are store owners, community organizations, and consumers. We're on track to take our products. We're going to create a bunch of products. We have a menu of 12 right now. They're mostly grab and go products because we think that that's why people go into bodegas. They're hungry. They want lunch. They want breakfast. They want a snack. And we want to offer it to them in a way that can be healthy and immediately available and affordable. And so I'll show you that menu. We're going to take it out to talk to these key stakeholders. We're then going to revise our menu, um, responding to their feedback on tastes, on uh, portion sizes, prices, all those kinds of things. And then we're going to take it out into stores in somewhere between a month and 2 months from now. And we have 8 stores in the Hunts Point and Longwood sections of the Bronx. The Longwood part is like right up against the border with Hunts Point. Um, and the key is that in making this work as a commercial enterprise, we want to have tight delivery routes. That is so that it limits the amount of travel that the delivery person has to do to cover their delivery route, and that time of travel is a key cost. We want to keep it within neighborhood where the demographics are similar and the culinary tastes are similar, because we really want to tailor what we're offering to what the community likes and is looking for. And we also want to, respond to the other food system, whatever is available from the food system in specific neighborhoods. So we see it as being very, very focused, but it could be focused on hundreds of neighborhoods across the city. So the tentative menu includes both grab and go snacks and grab and go. Before I jump into the menu, does anybody have any questions just about the context or the background or concept of the project? Okay. So what our Collective Fare, Latoya Metters, and our bodega owners have really driven this tentative menu, which includes snacks that we think we can price between $3.50 and $5, um, and healthy snacks. So we're looking at a combination of both refrigerated snacks and shelf-stable snacks that we can put hopefully on the counter as people are checking out and buying by the register, as well as elsewhere in the store. And also from a financial standpoint, shelf-stable products are going to be less susceptible to the risk of spoilage, which is another key economic thing for us. So I won't go into detail. We have a whole sheet on each one of these products that includes the nutritional information, the ingredients, the cost information, the weight, the whole thing. Latoya has really spec'd it all out very carefully. Coconut and guava oatmeal bars, we're calling these, we call them energy bites. Spiced coconut, chia, tamarind, granola energy clusters. So again, trying to aim at people who are looking for snacks, but we want to give them something healthy. Pumpkin and plantain mini muffins, sweet and spicy tostones, and multi-root vegetable bites, tropical fruit parfaits. And this is there'll probably be a couple of different versions of this at the same time. And then mango salsa and black bean dip with veggies. So we're taking a whole bunch of these things into the research process that we're going to be doing over the next month, and expecting to come back with 4 snacks and 4 meals that we can launch with when we actually take the product into the stores. The meals that we have on the menu at the moment: Caribbean crunch wrap with jerk chicken salad and mango relish. A del- yes,
Yes.
is it funny? It's delicious.
Yeah.
Um, Dominican pastelon inspired wrap, uh, pernil inspired lunchbox with shredded pork and fluffy rice and savory black beans, a smoky sweet plantain and black bean bowl, and some mango stuffed empanaditas.